Hey there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the taskbar size on Windows 11 23H2. As you might know, previously we could change the size of the taskbar with a simple registry entry, but Microsoft has removed that option. So to change the size of the taskbar in Windows 11 23H2 and beyond, open your browser and do a Google search for Windhawk. You should get the windhawk.net website as the first result. Click on it to go to that web page. Windhawk is a free tool with a collection of useful tweaks and customizations for Windows. We want to download it, so click on the download button to initiate the download. Once the download is finished, click on the file to launch the setup wizard. Install Windhawk with all of the default settings selected. When it's done, click on Finish to launch it. If for some reason you get this error that says, "Cannot delete an empty document," and Windhawk seems to be frozen, just close it and reopen it with the desktop shortcut. That should launch it and show you the available mods. Next, click on Explore Mods. In the next window, the taskbar height and icon size mod should be first. If it's not, just search for it and then click on Details. On the next page, you'll see a description of the mod, but just click on Install to install it. You'll get an additional prompt explaining the potential risks involved. Just click on Accept and Install. Once it's finished installing, you'll have a Settings tab in the mod page, and you can go ahead and click on it. Now you can change the icon size, taskbar height, and taskbar icon width respectively. I'll change the icon size to 20, the taskbar height to 30, and the taskbar button width to 35, and then click on Save Settings. This will make the taskbar smaller and might blow some things out of proportion, like the search box, as you can see here. I'll just change that to show the search icon only, which looks way better. Obviously, if you want to increase the size of the taskbar, you can just increase the values. If you want to change this back to the defaults, just use the values given next to each of the respective settings, and then save the settings again. If you want to undo this process, just disable the mod and uninstall Windhawk from your system. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.